Imrul Islam Khan, Senior General Manager, Pegasus Bangladesh Liaison Office. Pegasus is a Japanese industrial sewing machine manufacturer. We are basically manufacturing the overlock and interlock machines, which we call commonly chain stitch machine. So this time we participate in the GTP exhibition. This is very much effective for the manufacturing company and as well as the ready-made garments entrepreneur in Bangladesh. Because our ready-made garments entrepreneur, they can see all of their needs and products in under one roof in GTP exhibition, especially industrial sewing machines, equipments and finishing machineries. So this time I hope this exhibition is very much successful, because this time we have displayed our all advanced machines, which is technologically advanced, all with labor saving devices. Our expectation is, if our entrepreneur, garments manufacturer, they use this kind of advanced machine, they can save the cost and they can increase their productivity and quality. So in this case, I will request our garments entrepreneur to use all advanced machines for their future development in this garments industry.